Hey guys, Raw JDM here. Today we are heading to Friday night drifts at Calder Park. So I've already left obviously, and we're gonna start heading there now. Back in the booth, living on the booth, shawty for me, ooh, yeah. Trapped out in the coupe, shawty on my lap, sipping on some booze, yeah. Come chill outside, she know how to ride, baby wanna try, yeah. Smoke till we high, looking at the sky, she was my slime, yeah. Hello, Jack. Hello.
Tonight, shit, I know I should've left it. Don't release the feels he kept in, exempted, man. I've given up. Miles living on my train of thought, miles crashing, can't get your thought. No, not clean, but messy. Not the remedy, only Hennessy. Only tripping on my mind like it's Hennessy. Gotta have that patience, it's that virtue. Yeah, I heard her, yeah, I saw her, and she rocking all that.
What are we doing, Josh? We're heading to Calder Park. Are we heading to Calder Park? Alright, as you can see, Jake is cleaning his car. We're about to head off. It's about a half an hour from here to get to Calder Park, so we'll see you there. Doing my shit and I'm making my whip. 90 on the main street, blasting my hits. Yeah, shorty in the back and she flashing her bits. Yeah, I'm falling, no stumbling, no stalling. Got 4 bros and they all that. Got your girl, yo, shit swag. I don't give a fuck about what you asking. I'm just trying to.
Where are we?
Calder Park. Finally made it.
Finally made it.
And then took ages. And this thing started overheating randomly whenever it was stopped. But I was only stopped for about 2 minutes. So it's okay. And where I live, you hardly ever stop. Yeah, we're here. Heading over.
I've been trying to figure what do you mean when that pussy walk. I ain't hear from demons in a week, but I'm blessed enough. You know I can't wait, got my mental at the state. Riding and flying through space, got me running through the black light with it. That memories play like a vibrate straight. Pull at the flames, be on the let's let them going too fast, like right in your back. Don't spin out. Left, right, don't knock me down. Can't play with a fake, I always play around. Might drop a tape, I might shake the town. I might snap my clutch, and shit need some grease. I make it heat reach 100 degrees. Look at the way that I do it with ease. I might just get the whole neighborhood skating on the streets, making somebody call the police.
We're here with Lynn from a couple of videos ago.
Not in this car.
No. Where's your trip car tonight?
On the trailer.
Why is it on a trailer?
Right.
How did it break?
34 front end. Alright, I got it.
So much fun? Such fun. Yeah, fair enough. Well, it looks a lot different these days, doesn't it?
It's a lot different.
Yeah. But yeah.
That's some before and afters.
Some before and after photos. It's good to see Flynn again. Hopefully he features in a few more future videos.
Hopefully another drifting.
Yeah. He might come up to a free flow event. And yeah, we're just... It's a girl! Flynn, we're having a girl!
Stutter and go, change it to midnight, run up your hoe. Praying to God, I don't lose control. Playing like Satan, need up your soul. It's like stuck in the middle, I gotta act right. Mask on my face, yeah, I ain't tryna act right. Give me some spice, bitch, muscle on Netflix. Pick up the bass, bitch, go like a airstrike. Am I not normal? I think grass and trees not real. On the ocean, on my field. On the wind on top of the hill, If I'm not dead, then what's this thing I feel? The pain cannot be healed, Man, fuck that shit for real, I'ma act actor just like Ryan Seacrest. Day and night I write because I'm depressed. Let my wrist and hang me from the deep end. Yeah. Don't ask for shit and live like a distraction. Do it for attention and attraction. I'm a slut just like that fucking dragon. Yeah, I'm just kidding. Break a bone on the backflip, smoking like a crack pit. Me and my boy.
So I showed this man a listing for Holden Rodeo and said, let's make it a skid pig. This man,
I have $30,000 in credit card debt.
4K pick up tomorrow. Yeah, I have some problems on Marketplace. I hope my girlfriend doesn't see this video. Well, the guy said no anyway, so.
Has he got any
Not yet, he
tile
hasn't.
left?
He said no lower than 6K. I'll change that.
Give it up!
I changed that.
Give Mike like a big round of applause.
Yeah, walk around senseless, talking all the letters. I don't give a fuck, just careless. Careless. Careless.
Toxic. We're all toxic. You're a waste. Should all waste my time. Go thirsty.
Pull up, yeah. Little bitch, I'ma do that. For that shit, I'm stupid. Put my dick inside the roaster. I am fucked up, but so many get me at this bitch. I'm ready. Smoke a blunt and crash your wedding. My visuals are ascending.
Wait, so you know more about this car, Flynn? Explain. What is it?
E36 sedan. Full coupe. sedan. All cut down. Did this crazy body kit. So they put this crazy Lamborghini body kit on
Yeah.
it. Over the top of the E36. And then he put a rotary engine in it. Fire stock rotary engine in it. And he drips it. Still drips it. So it's crazy to see how low this is. So just up there on the top of the dash. That's the factory transmission tunnel right there.
Oh, yeah.
And you can see how low it is.
Yeah. That's insane.
Yep.
Like, there's not much room there. There is not much room there. This would have cost a fair bit.
White.
Morning, sunshine.
He said he wanna fist fight. Pussy got some confidence, but I'ma hit him left, right. Hey, yeah, need to check my tempo. Smoke a propane, spit a fire, never let go. Hey, yeah, pussy on that tenfold. Yeah, she love my demon or a motherfucking info. Hey, I said like cash in my mood, yeah. Chillin' with my dudes, yeah. Run with the crew, yeah. I'm like, what it do, yeah. Shawty with the moves, yeah. Shake ass, give me a quickie up in the room. I said I kill shit. Pussy try be real, bitch. Ain't it super chill, Mitch? I'm tryna make a meal shit on that super dumb shit. My shawty be lovely, yeah. She wanna hug me, and I ain't gon' give up. B, I'm feeling really lucky, yeah. Up there like a shooting star, bitch. I'm really gone. Gon' test me on my best part, gon' test me on my worst part. Yeah, I'm still gon' fuck you up like any day. Like, what's up, bro? I'm finna for an uppercut. I'm finna for a fucking dog. Just need something to smoke. I'm gon' grab a joke and toe. Make that pussy hit the floor. They ain't even gonna know. You nasty, go brush your teeth. You need to go fucking leave. I'm tryna go smoke some sheesh. My diamonds just shine like leash.
Alright, and that's it for today's drift video. Honestly, it was a lot more of just drifting, not really talking. But had a lot of fun still.
Still a lot of fun. A lot of cool cars.
A lot of cool cars. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video.